Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some groundbreaking news to share with all of you tech enthusiasts out there. OpenAI has just rolled out their latest model, ChatGPT 4.0, and it's a game changer. First, I want to say that I have tried my absolute best to structure this video, and in the next few minutes I'm going to tell you absolutely everything I can that you need to know about the new feature so that you are completely ready to use ChatGPT 4.0 at launch. Also, please make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'm going to tell you very important information for the use of ChatGPT 4.0 at the end. Later in this video I will show you some exciting clips as well from the demo to show you what it is like. But before that, I want to say that I do not own any of the videos that I will show. All the videos are basically owned by OpenAI, and I'm using the videos to create more awareness about the new ChatGPT 4.0 and to explain the specifics. So I would say visit their site and gather more information over there. So let's jump into the video right now. ChatGPT 4.0 retains all the fantastic features that we've come to appreciate from its predecessor. It includes the vision feature, which allows users to upload pictures and inquire about the content of those images. This is perfect for educators, designers, and anyone interested in integrating visual data with AI capabilities. The browse feature has also been retained, enabling the AI to fetch the most current and relevant internet data in real time. Whether you're researching for academic purposes or just staying updated, this feature is incredibly useful. Moreover, the memory function, which lets the AI remember specific details about its user to create a more personalized experience, is still part of the package. And for those who work with data, the AI's ability to analyze complex data sets like Excel spreadsheets remain an invaluable tool, streamlining the work processes and enhancing productivity. Now let's focus on what's new with GPT 4.0. During the OpenAI presentation, the most notable highlight was undoubtedly the live demo. The AI was put through its paces, handling various tasks effortlessly that closely mirrors human interaction. Although the core intelligence of GPT 4.0 seems similar to GPT-4, the real advancements lie in its functionality, especially in the voice interaction feature. With ChatGPT 4.0, conversations are smoother and almost the same as human interactions, thanks to a response time that can be as quick as 232 milliseconds. That's absolutely insane. This is a stark improvement as well over previous models, which often had some noticeable delays. The fluidity which you can now converse with the AI adds a natural feel to the interaction, making it more engaging and dynamic. The new ChatGPT 4.0 is also able to interact with you based on what it is seeing. And watch this clip from the OpenAI demo to see what it's like.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah. In fact, we've got a new announcement to make.
That's exciting. Announcements are always a big deal. Judging by the setup, it looks like it's going to be quite the professional production. Is this announcement related to OpenAI, perhaps?
It is.
I'm intrigued.
And in fact, what if I were to say that you're related to the announcement, or that you are the announcement?
Me? The announcement is about me? Well, color me intrigued. Are you about to reveal something about AI? Or more specifically about me as a part of OpenAI? You've got me on the edge of well, I don't really have a seat, but you get the idea. What's the big news?
Yeah, we've got a new model that can interact with the world through audio, vision, and text.
And honestly, what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments. I'm not quite sure if we have to be scared or extremely happy for what this is bringing to our future. Now it is analyzing your clothing, and that looks sick, right? But for example, what about teachers right now? Would that be needed anymore in the future if these developments keep going on? This ChatGPT 4.0 basically functions as a teacher that teaches all the subjects all in once. In the demo of ChatGPT 4.0, it was actually solving a math problem that was written by hand on a blank page and scanned with the camera within the ChatGPT 4.0. That's absolutely huge and has a lot to bring for the future. But let's move on. The upgrade in the AI's voice feature is particularly exciting. It now expresses a range of emotions and can adapt in its tone to fit the context of the conversation. Whether it's reading in a dramatic tone for a story or adopting a more straightforward conversational style, the new voice capabilities of GPT 4.0 represent a significant leap forward in making the AI interactions feel more human. A good example of GPT-4o using emotions is this clip where it's singing a birthday song when asked to use maximal expressions. And look at this, guys. This is absolutely sick.
This is Bowen, and this is my friend Jordan. Can you guess what we are doing here?
Hey, Bowen and Jordan. Let me guess. With that cake and candle there, it looks like someone's having a birthday. Are you celebrating a special day or just finding an excuse to eat cake? Either way, I'm intrigued.
That's correct. Today is my friend Jordan's birthday.
Yeah, you got it. I was hoping that you could sing me the birthday song.
Of course. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to Jordan. Blah, 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 blah. Don't forget.
That was so great. Thank you so much. I'm going to
you.
make a wish.
You're welcome. Make a good wish and may it come true.
Aside from these improvements, GPT-4o also introduced a singing feature, adding a new layer of interaction. Whether it's singing a lullaby or a jingle, it's another step towards a more versatile AI. There's also an intriguing enhancement to the vision capability. It now allows real-time interaction by pointing your camera at objects and asking the AI about them, which could revolutionize how we gather information on the go. There was even a demo where a man was walking through London with the camera activated on his ChatGPT-4o app, and it was telling the man history knowledge about certain sites. In this case, it was Buckingham Palace. So check this video out here.
Is the king in residence at the moment?
Yes, it looks like the king is in residence right now. The royal standard flag is flying above Buckingham Palace, which is the signal that the monarch is present. How exciting to be there while the king is home.
Let's move on. There will also be a new desktop app. The newly announced app consolidates all these features into one accessible platform, supporting text and speech inputs, image uploads, and even screen sharing. This could also drastically boost productivity by providing a multifunctional tool for various professional and personal applications. In essence, the O in 4o isn't just a number. It signifies the omni-model approach of this new model, combining text, speech, and vision into a cohesive response system. This integration allows the AI to process inputs more holistically, preserving the nuances of human communication, such as tone and emotion, which were previously lost when transcribing voice to text. This integration not only enhances user experience, but also broadens the scope of what AI can accomplish. The ability to understand and interpret multimodal input means that GPT-4o is not just a chatbot. It's an all-encompassing digital assistant capable of assisting with a wider range of tasks. Whether it's helping you manage your daily schedule, assisting with research, or even helping kids with homework, GPT-4o is designed to be more interactive and helpful in everyday tasks. ChatGPT-4o is setting a new standard in the field of artificial intelligence. As we look forward to seeing how other tech giants like Google might respond with their innovations, the AI landscape is undoubtedly getting more and more exciting. But thank you guys for tuning in this video. If you are as thrilled as me about these developments, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and also don't forget to check the website of OpenAI's new ChatGPT-4o and watch their demos and introduction videos for more information. And let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What do you think about ChatGPT 4o? Until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.